I'm Anil Kumar, and in this video we will understand how to use zero principle to subtract integers, right? We have four questions here. The first one is minus 5 minus minus 3. Then we have minus 4 minus minus 6, plus 5 minus minus 5, and minus 5 minus plus 5. You can pause the video, answer the question, and then look into my suggestions. Let us see how to use zero principle. Zero principle is basically adding combination of plus and minus. Basically, if I add one plus with one minus, it is equal to 0, right? So that is what zero principle is. And we are going to use this principle to solve all these questions. So let's begin by the first one, which is minus 5 take away minus 3. So minus 5 means let's take 5 negatives. That is minus 5, right? Okay. And from here, we have to take away 3 negatives. 1, 2, and 3. Since we have 5 negatives here, we can easily take away 3 negatives. Not a problem. What are we left with? We are left with 2 negatives. We'll say minus 2 is the answer. Well, all the questions may not be that straightforward. Let's look into the next one. It says minus 4 take away minus 6. Okay, so let's have minus 4 here. So we have minus 4, which is kind of like this, minus 4. And we have to take away from here minus 6. That means 6 of these, right? Okay, 6 of these. So if you take away, you can take 4, right? You can take 4 out of them. What will you do for these two? That's a big question. So what you can do here is you can add zeros. Now let me show you how to add zeros. So you can add zeros. Let me add 2 here. So these zeros means a combination of positive and negative. Do you see that? So we added 2 zeros. Now from these 2 zeros, as you can see, we could always take away these 2 negatives, right? This negative with that one, this negative with this one. What are we left with? If you see on the left side of this negative, we are left with 2 positives. So we get the answer as plus 2. So that is how zero principle helps to subtract integers. Okay, let's practice. So here there are 2 very interesting questions. Plus 5 means, let me write like this also, right? It's not necessary to make circles. And from these 5, we have to take away 5 negatives. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. However, we do not have any negative here. What can I do? Well, I can make 5 zeros. Okay, so let's do that. So I have 5 zeros now. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 5. 0 really means a combination of plus and minus, right? Plus and minus. Okay, so that is a 0 for me. But it helps us to take away 5 negatives. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can take away 5 negatives because of this 0. What are you left with? We are left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 positive. So the answer is plus 10. So that is how we could use zero principles to do subtraction. I hope the concept is clear, right? Let's do the next one. You can actually pause the video and answer this one. We have minus 5. That means minus, 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 minus. 5 minus, right? From this, we have to take away 5 positives. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do we have any positive here? No. What should we do? We can add 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 5. 0 means a combination of plus and minus, right? That really helps us, since now we can take away plus 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What are we left with? We are left with all negatives, which are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we get negative 10 as our answer. I hope that is absolutely clear. I'm Anil Kumar. If you like, you can put a like, share and subscribe my videos, and feel free to post questions. Thank you and all the best.